So, before I get started and get too far along, this is what I have so far. The grow bag is being filled up with some of the cuttings from the gardeners out front, and here's my wheelbarrow and some of my containers. Oh yeah, those were some of my containers from my garden out here 3 years ago. Okay, so this sure is saving a lot of money. All right, we'll be back. So, what I'm going to do this morning is refurbish this old planter. I don't remember what was in here, but I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put some vermiculite in it, some cocoa coir, mix it around, and this is going to be lemon balm and peppermint. All right, I will see you once it's planted. Okay, now she's planted. There is the lemon balm, and there is the peppermint or sweet mint. So this is Arizona 9B. I will come back. I've already watered it a little. I don't want to wash these tiny seeds away. I'll come back this evening and water again. All right, on to the next project. And this morning, this is what my little food area looks like. It's getting replanted, and the gardeners cut down some leaves from the palm trees, other foliage that will be going in the 100-gallon grow bag. I will be breaking it down and adding soil to it. All right, be back. Okay, what I'm doing now is cutting the palm branches off of this big branch of palm tree, Hosanna. And I'm going to make a trellis, which you will see later, out of the big branch. And as you have already seen, I'm cutting up the little pieces to put in the bottoms of the pots. Okay, we'll be back.